Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys as well as Lala. We're going to be reviewing some Erzgebirge soldiers, wooden soldiers from about the 1800s. So stay tuned for more. All right, good day. We're going to very carefully lift the top of this case and show what's been preserved for probably 150 years, German soldiers. And these are going to be hand carved. They're going to be carved in the Black Forest of Germany. I'm sure I'm butchering the German, apologies, but I've heard it called Erzgebirge. And the Black Forest soldiers are hidden beneath a case. And the older gentleman can sign this. He, as a kid, actually put this case together. And I attribute the case to making everything look minty, absolutely minty and clean. As far as our research goes, we've not seen another set like this that's what I would call complete. And so we're going to zoom in. We're going to see that there's going to be a commander. There's probably going to be officers. There are going to be foot soldiers. And then a German flag. So let us zoom in. All right, immediately see that there's both a musician, drummers, as well as what I would imagine are officers with the swords. Two officers, two swords. I see this gentleman with a sash, this gentleman with war medals, and then I see a foot soldier to the right. He has the yellow sash. This gentleman does not, in red. And the gentleman to the far side has lapels over here on his shoulder. The research will continue. And that's the first line. Again, the next line. Lapels. His lapels are striped for the drummer. This gentleman, the lapels are not striped. One level back. Again, the pith helmet, I believe they call it. The pith helmet on him, and him are all similar, where the foot soldiers have a different style hat. We may find that there are two different periods of soldiers as I go. Next level, blue, blue, blue. I'm thinking they're ordinary grunts. And then helmet without lapels, standard. Next level back, standard, standard. And then these two with the blue, three with the blue, four with the blue. We get the grunts in the back, we get the German flag. And so I'm imagining that this is one of the key figures, the commander. I'm going to just zoom in on a couple of faces. Very well done. Better light on the subject. Just incredible work on the faces, the cheeks. Here's our German flag variation, pre-1900s. And then we get to see each man have a wooden backpack. Each man has hand-painted detailing for creases and accents at the base of his overcoat. And then we'll do one overhead view just in case the astute eyes see these minor differences that mean a lot in the military world.